Okay, I have not tried this on yet because it's a color corrector, and I'm starting with just, I washed my face like earlier today, and I have just basic skincare on. This is the One Step by Stila, the Correct Kitten. I've never tried this product, nor have I ever even tried a primer, a color correcting primer. There's like many different colors in here, see? And each color like serves a different purpose. So I did a little research before. Should we do another pump? Look, there's a green. See, isn't that kind of cool? So I did a little research before, not just on the product, but like what is a color correcting primer thing. So you're supposed to use it like I am. You could put it on just right after you put on your skincare, and you put it all over. And the reason why it's different than, well, let's say a concealer or a foundation is that it actually has properties, and each color has a different purpose. Each color has specific properties that are meant to go in your skin and correct the color of your skin, which I find to be kind of incredibly fascinating, amazing. I have rosacea, so I'm super sensitive to everything from cleaning products to skincare, makeup, you name it. I've done really well with Stila makeup. This is the first kind of face product I've used. So I'm not really, like, how long does it take to see the effects? Can you guys see anything? I feel like I look brighter. And I don't have a filter on, apologies. Now, also, so the color that I have is Kitten, but like, it's not like a foundation where you have to find the right match. Oh, look, you could actually see it on my hands too. It's like correcting my hands. And, okay, let me see. So you see like there's a bit of a shimmer there too, which is nice. So it's brightening. Ooh, actually, let me show you guys this. This is really cool. My hands. See the shimmer? So you have a glowy effect. Now the product page says that it also targets fine lines, which raise your hand if that's good for you. What else do I want to say? But yeah, you don't have to find, like, foundation is so hard to buy for, right? Like, it's so hard. And then like once you find your perfect product within a perfect brand, and then you have to find the perfect color, it's like it's so hard to move away from that product. But this is just like a color corrector, period. It like works with your personal skin tone, so you don't have to worry about like, do I choose super fair or super duper fair? You just get this one thing. So it is a brightening. It does. So I was right. It does. It's not just a corrector, but it is a brightener too. Loves it. My face is not burning, which is good. But again, like, everybody's skin tone is different. Definitely read the ingredients. I sure did before I put it on my face. But you know, Stila, top brand, premium beauty on Amazon. You guys could read the details on the product page, and I'm just like, you know, I'm so over watching these videos where people just read from the product page. I'm like, thank you. Can you show it to, like, show me the results? So I've been recording now for about 4 minutes, and let's take a look. So I think that my eyes are popping more. I almost like, this is good. It's almost like, sorry, I'm on selfie mode. I'm not like looking out in the distance. It's weird when it's horizontal shot, and anyway. So look at that. I do not have any makeup on. No filter. Like, you guys have seen me without makeup if you come to my live shows. So it's like the jig is up. I don't even bother with filters anymore. I also think it's like really, really ridiculous to add filters when you're showing beauty products, because it doesn't really show the beauty product. So look, the main goal here, covering up imperfections. I love it. I think I'm gonna start using this a lot more. It's good. Dark circles, redness, you got it. Gotta love Stila. Hope this was helpful. Yeah, oh my gosh, like even more. Now look, I'm gonna actually, because I have the light, I have the natural light here. Look, the results are in. See, this is why I work with brands that have really, really great products. Because I don't even have to do my whole sales spokesperson pitch. It's just like, here, watch me do it. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not a beauty influencer. Like, it works, right? So all of your questions, like, will it work? Is it worth it? Should be answered, because I think I just also got like some sort of tan going on too. I don't think I even need concealer over this. Wow, one step correct. I love how Stila names their products too. Like, I use their mascara, and it's called the Huge Mascara, and it's literally like this big. It's good stuff. And this is called the One Step Correct, and it truly is one step. I mean, yeah, I have a little bit of redness here, but I think I'm having like weird allergies or something. I just love the brightening. I look like I just left a spa after, you know, like a wellness retreat after, you know, being away for 2 weeks, like exercising and meditating. Forget it, skip it, just get this. I'm Hailey Feldman. I hope this was helpful.